All right, guys, we're shipping out this brand new TimberTech Terrain Plus. It's a new composite collection from TimberTech. So it's a brand new collection. It just got released this year. It's not to be confused with Terrain. This is called Terrain Plus. So in the Terrain Plus collection, it's kind of like the Terrain, but it has a couple differences. It has new colors. It has a light color, kind of like a medium gray color, and a kind of medium brown color. So you can see they're all these kind of subtle neutral colors. The one we're shipping out is a natural white oak. We're gonna package this up, send it to somewhere in New York. But let's talk about the colors. The three colors, like I said, the natural white oak is a tan color. It has a really subtle wood grain pattern. It has kind of gray, they all have a kind of gray streaking through it. And the natural white oak seems to be a very popular color because it's not really a neutral gray, it's kind of warm neutral color, like a tan color. That seems to be a trend this year. Like I said, this is a Terrain Plus collection, TimberTech. It's composite, not PVC, so keep that in mind. Let's go through the colors. Like I said, natural white oak is like a tan, a warm neutral color. It has that gray streaking in it. That's the one we're shipping out. Another option we have is, this is called weathered oak. So this is like a more neutral gray. It still has that subtle wood grain and it still has that kind of grayish streaking on it, but it's kind of, you want a more traditional just gray. The weathered oak in the Terrain Plus collection, that's a good option for you. And then last but not least here, we have dark oak. So the dark oak is kind of like, as it said, it's dark. It's more of like a darker brown, but it's not as dark as some of the other TimberTech collection. It's more of like a, like a grayish kind of brown. So anyways, but it also has that black kind of grayish streaking through it. But they all have this very subtle wood grain. That seems to be the new, the new wood grain. It doesn't have that deep wood grain like some of the other composites out there. So like I said, this is a composite, not a PVC TimberTech collection. We're gonna package this up right now. Send this out to the customer. These are nice, big, long boards. We're gonna package it up, send it to the customer, and they're gonna have their whole deck ready to go.